Welcome to the CRM Overview. To access this tool, you will need to go to the left navigation in your dashboard. Click on Business Center, then on CRM. It will bring you to the CRM dashboard. In the center, you will find your analytics that you can filter. First filter is the origin, meaning the email list that was created and where the information is coming from. Second filter is the filter by tags. It will show you all the tags you have and you can add more tags here. The third filter is the by date filter. On the left navigation we have dashboard. If you click on this, it will take you back to the page no matter where you are in the CRM area. Below dashboard we have leads. Again, you can filter by list, name and email, as well as function called boil. That basically means that you can allocate a certain amount of points to be given to a lead, then later you can use that boil function in MailingBoss to send automated messages. This little plus sign means you can add a lead. Make sure that you choose the right origin list for the lead to be added, because you will be added to the list in MailingBoss. When you click on a lead, you will see the lead's journey on your site. You can also add another step by clicking on the plus right here. Further functions included on this page is the ability to delete a step or lead by hovering over the info. Going down, you will see actions by score. Here you can add any action that needs to take place. For example, you might want a lead with a specific tag to be moved from one list to another. This can be done here. Next is origins and steps. You will be able to see all the origins, like where the information come from, and it could be the website, an external site, a webinar, a funnel, etc. You will be able to add another origin by just clicking on the plus sign right here. Clicking on an origin will show you the steps, pages or journey that the client will take, and when you hover over each area, you will see additional options like delete, edit, embed, especially for integrating with the external site, as well as the instructions on how to do that. You can also disable the origin. Lastly, you will also be able to click on the plus and add an additional step. This is a great function because you will be able to track your lead even in an external site. Further down we have workflow, which means clicking on this will take you to MailingBoss workflow to set up email automations. Last but not least is the settings. First is the script settings that you will need if you are going to integrate CRM with an external site. You will not need this function if your site is in Builderall. Here we have tags, and this is where you will see your tags or add any additional tags that you want to use. Last option is the custom types. Currently we have phones, entities, address, interaction, but you can also add additional ones if you just click on the blue plus. And that brings us to the end of this overview. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another.